Welcome to Bike Buzzin' today, in-depth review of one of the most iconic power cruisers ever made, the Yamaha VMAX 1700cc. A machine that redefined what it means to ride with power, blending muscle, speed and comfort in a way few motorcycles can. Engine performance, the heart of the beast. At the core of the Yamaha VMAX is its 1.679cc liquid-cooled V4 engine. With a monstrous 200 horsepower and 123 ft-lbs of torque, the VMAX isn't just fast, it's a beast on the open road. The ride-by-wire throttle ensures instant, smooth response, while its unique V-boost system gives you that extra surge of power, kicking in at 6,500 RPM. Whether you're on the highway or at the drag strip, this engine delivers unmatched performance. Design bold and aggressive. Design is where the Yamaha VMAX really stands apart. It's not just a bike, it's a statement. The wide fuel tank, aggressive stance, and massive tires give it a muscular look that demands attention. Every detail, from the sharp, angular lines to the sculpted exhaust pipes, screams power. Yamaha has crafted the VMAX to look as fast as it feels. Handling comfort built for the open road. For a cruiser with this much power, the VMAX offers impressive handling. Its aluminum frame ensures lightweight stability, while the fully adjustable suspension lets you customize the ride to your comfort. The low seat height and relaxed riding position make long rides comfortable, even at high speeds. However, don't expect it to handle like a lightweight sport bike. It's built for straight-line power and highway cruising. Technology features modern meets muscle. Yamaha didn't skimp on tech with the VMAX. The bike features a fully digital display, showcasing speed, RPM, and fuel data clearly. ABS come standard, giving you the braking confidence needed to handle this much power. Traction control is also included, helping maintain control when you unleash that raw V4 power on the road. Conclusion: is the Yamaha VMAX right for you? The Yamaha VMAX 1700cc is not for the faint of heart. It's a bike for those who crave power and style, riders who want a machine that stands out and performs at the highest level. While it may not be the ideal bike for everyday commuting or tight city streets, for open road cruising and weekend rides, it's hard to beat. If you're ready to experience raw power with a touch of luxury, the VMAX 1700 is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching our review of the Yamaha VMAX 1700cc. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and riding tips. Until next time, ride safe.